Xi'an Brictec Engineering Company Limited was established in 2011. Since its establishment, the company has adhered to the corporate culture and spirit of struggle-oriented, customer-centered, to serve domestic and foreign customers. The company's main business scope includes 1. Systematic design and technical consultation of building material production line. 2. R&D and manufacturing of brick production line machinery. 3. EPC project of brick factory. Brictec Engineering, the global provider of building materials solutions. The company is committed to providing domestic and foreign customers with advanced brick-making solutions and equipment. The company employs senior Italian engineers in terms of drying and firing, and combines domestic engineers to build a strong technical team, combining European technology and local technology. After years of exploration and accumulation, the company has developed complete clay brick production line machineries that meet the needs of domestic and foreign markets, including box feeder, crusher, mixer, vacuum extruder, brick cutter, bricks loading and unloading system, robot setting machine, bricks packing machine, tunnel dryer, chamber dryer, tunnel kiln, coal burner, natural gas burner, etc. The company has established branches in Bangladesh, India, Uzbekistan, and Vietnam, and its business covers more than 30 countries and regions. In April 2018, Brictec and Shandong Mine Machinery Cosmec Construction Materials Machinery Company Limited reached the Industrial Strategic Alliance to provide customer with overall solutions and promote the development of domestic brick industry in the direction of specialization, standardization, automation, and intelligence.
Welcome to Brictec.